What's up, YouTube? Making a quick unboxing video of the Bgrv that I got as a gift for Christmas from my sister. And I heard these things are a hitter, so let's open it up, check it out. Bgrv. No, I check it out in a couple other videos, and it looked huge. From the looks of it, it looks kind of yeah, that thing's kind of small. It ain't big at all, like from what it shows, from what I thought. It was just like the rapid fire. I also got the rapid fire, and I thought that was huge. I thought it looked huge also, and it was small. I'll make comparisons later on with that rapid fire and this one. You know, let you guys know how it comes out. And it comes with the #1 blade, Ultra Edge. Comes with the bottle of lube oil. That's cool. You know, 5-speed. Can't wait to use this one. You know, can't wait to use those blades. Those I got those ceramic blades by Forfex that I picked up at Fantastic Beauty Supply for $10. You know, I used them on my the FX 690, and they cut pretty good. You know, you can't even tell the difference. But I'm gonna try them out on this one to see what's up. I'll let you guys know how it goes. You know, once put some work on this. You know, it's got that swivel cord. Sweet. But alright, man, let you guys know what's up in the next review on this. Alright, I'm out.